The SCD diet plan is an anti-inflammatory version of an elimination diet that's used as a healing diet, particularly when a person is having just simple stress over the digestive process period. Simply breaking down our food causes stress and inflammation in the body. This is even more so if a person is dealing with a chronic illness and chronic levels of inflammatory issues. So the use of a diet like SCD, which stands for Simple Carbohydrate Diet, is a good option for a period of time. Basically what happens when you're digesting is certain foods called polysaccharides need to be broken down into monosaccharides. Now poly means many, saccharide means sugar. So basically what that means is it's a multiple chain of sugar that the body then has to break down in order to be able to utilize it in the body. That decreases the amount of stress that the body gets under just in having to digest our food. Now, some of you might be able to just jump right into SCD and the diets that are allowed on it, and others of you will have to start with the SCD intro diet and then work up through the phases. So on the intro diet, if you are one of those people that are starting the intro diet, for 3 days, what you'll be eating is basically bone broth, chicken breast, ground beef, peeled and cooked apples, peeled and cooked pears, cooked carrots. Now for this period of time, you're going to want these things well cooked, and you're going to want to drink as much bone broth as you can in those three days of time. You can eat as much as you want, as long as it is only these things listed in the intro diet. You can also make a homemade gelatin, which if you go to the members site on our home website, anmcholistichealth.com, you will find all kinds of resources to help you with the SCD diet, the gelatin recipe, yogurt recipes, all kinds of things that will be useful for you there. When you are done with the intro diet, you'll need to move up through the phases, and we do this slowly so that the body can build sort of a foundational acceptance of the lesser phenolic or phytochemical compounds that are in foods, which is why we do one phase at a time. The websites that are listed in the SCD resources on the members site will give you the guidance for moving up through those phases, as well as asking your coach about this during your session times. See you next visit.